The first step is going to be to measure 10 millimeters from both sides, but you can change it to 5 if you like. Once you have measured from both sides, then find the center point from those two lines or dots. Then measure 5 millimeters from either side of the center, as I have done here. Then join the thoughts to make deputy. My lines are a bit off, mainly because I didn't join the dots properly. That's not much of an issue, we'll fix it later on. Yes, I am using the box cutter, but when you are using it, be very careful because it's easy to mess it up. Unlike a flat chisel, it is more difficult to use and it requires a lot of patience. I didn't because I wanted to challenge myself to see if I can do it.
Here's a pro tip: use the material for your markings. It's easier and more accurate.
As you can see here, I messed it up, but it was kind of intentional because I'm going to show you a way to fix that and make it look even better. But first things first, I need to glue it together. Now that the glue has dried, it's time to make it look nice. The technique I am about to demonstrate helps to hide the imperfections and mistakes. Draw a line around it of any thickness you like. Just don't do more than necessary. I am only doing 1 millimeter. Then follow those lines and cut it out. Like what I'm doing here. Just do it on both sides so that it looks like you have done it intentionally. You can call it a design feature and be done with it. Now it can be filled with sawdust. I am using some walnut because it gets a dark brown color once I add the super glue, as you'll see afterwards. You'll have to do a lot of sanding during this process. I supposed that you can call this super glue and sawdust method. Now that it has been sanded down to perfection, all that we have to do now is put a finish on it. Here are the results. This isn't where I am finished, but you can be if you want, since this is only a practice joint.